When I was in trade school, one of my professors told me, if you can get into the Lee Company, that's where you want to be. I had to get out into the field and get some experience, but ultimately I ended up here, which I thought was a pretty cool full circle thing. When I first came in here, I was very surprised by how clean it looked. It reminded me of a hospital almost. I had interviewed at a few other places and none of them looked like this. Knowing where things are, being able to find what tool you need, all those things go into making your job easier and your life easier. I'm fully new to Swiss lathe machining, and the Lee Company was welcoming to teaching me that. Within a year, I feel proficient on these Swiss machines. The plugs and pins mostly end up on spacecraft, submarines, boats, a lot of military aerospace. The products we make ensure that planes won't fall out of the sky. I feel proud to do it. As an American, I feel very proud to be a part of that. As a machinist, I've been told there are places where you're just a number. And here at the Lee Company, you're not just a number. They know your name, whether it be the guy that you're working with, whether it be the owner of the company, the CEOs. They all know your name. They say hi. It's a very welcoming place to work. If they can get in here, they should. Based on what we do here, the free health insurance, the benefits, the competitive pay, the chance to grow in the company.